Okay, good morning or good evening, world. Okay, so cooking with Garden of Eden Kingdom Living products. What I did is this is an avocado, and I cut it up and put some of our Italian mustard. And oh my God, it is so good. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna actually make a salmon, like a salmon wrap, and I'm gonna cook the salmon and add that. So I'll show you guys the finished product with that later. But remember, gluten-free, all natural. This particular product here is awesome for anybody that's on a keto diet or just trying to watch your weight. Don't have a lot of sodium, so if you wanted to put a little bit more sea salt in it, you could. Remember locations, Woodman's, some Pete's. Peach Fruit Market. Yep, go on the website www.gardenedenkingdomliving, and you guys have a blessed day. Real simple, real quick to make. Don't take that long at all.